Cycling in Boston. Here we go, a new route. Chinatown to South Boston. Boom, boom, boom. Let's do it. Just left Beach and Harrison. We're heading south on Harrison. Way, kind of tucked behind Tufts Medical. Trip to get in that lane. I like horse race. All right, we got the pedestrian. Right up the gut of the ink block. Staying in the left lane. Although I'll get in front of this trash truck if I can. Ah, look at this, another one. I didn't even know there's a tate there. It's so horrible here to walk around and stuff because the roads, it's a nightmare. We didn't even know there was a tate there. Tate, whatever the hell it is. All right, left on Traveler. Let us go here. Bit of it, notice. I'll do that when I can. Get a little jump. Just feel safer being up here already, and then I only got to make it past this one. All right, gotta pop. I'm a dead still. Gotta go over this hill and bridge into Southie. Brand new red line down there. Nobody's using it. Figures. Actually, there's a good little lane set up here with the snow. A bit different. We'll come over here again. We got other videos over here. All right, I do have the pedestrian right at Broadway. I'm going to use it to get onto Broadway. All right, pedestrian here to cross A and Broadway, South Boston, Mass. Approaching D. If you go left, more of Southie, eventually get into Seaport. Straight, all the way up West Broadway, East Broadway, out to Pleasure Bay eventually. And then you take a right here, you head over towards Andrew in that area. So there you go, Chinatown to South Boston.